Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back at Menards. I came across this display, Works Trimmer Edger Blower Combo, very good price. I know what it is, you're skeptical about the whole rebate thing. Trust me, it's legit. Okay, here to get a Stealthflow downspout and some A and B elbows. Almost forgot to mention that I bought an extension with those items. Okay, we're back. You know, every year I take the spigot apart, lube it up. It helps it throughout the summer. Here's my Cabot bag with some go-to tools. WD-40, can't do it without this stuff. I don't know when, but it'll be in the future. I want to do a video on this four-way versus the plastic one. I'm leaning more towards this one. Might want to stay away from the plastic one. Okay, let's take a look at the grass. Not bad. Could use some water. I told you I wanted to stay moist throughout the season. So I plan on moving the salvia over. I taught you about that. Removing this downspout, trimming the rose bushes. Let's walk over to the north side of the house. Don't pay any attention to this stuff, guys. Don't pay any attention to it. It'll be a lot different towards the end. All right. Mulch is mulching, I guess. Far from spectacular, but it'll all work out in the end. Guys, get a bucket. Get your garden tools. Put your garden tools in a bucket or a tool bag like this. Cabot, stop running back and forth when you got work to do. Get the job done. Okay, I'll remove these screws and add the extension to the downspout. Yep, another screw there. And I'll just move the salvia over. Do I have to do this? Absolutely not. But I've envisioned having that stealth for a while and removing this old downspout. So it was long overdue. And I'm doing this to show you if I can do this, you can do it too. It's easy. Here's the extension, 15 inches. Doesn't cost a whole lot either. Maybe $6-7. I can't remember. But trust me, if I'm not really harping about the price, it doesn't cost a whole lot. And you put the existing downspout in the extension. All right. Trust me, it fits. It fits. But you know what? There are different sizes. So this one is a 2x3. So that's the size I had to get. You know why I'm having trouble? It's the rose bush. Those thorns cut like a knife. I've been poked by them and it's not pleasant. I'm trying to avoid them. So I need to do some trimming in order to put the extension on. Should have done this about a month ago. At least now the root system will send energy where it needs to go instead of this dead weight, so to speak. Told you it's a 2x3. I wouldn't even say you have to put any muscle into it. Just line it up correctly. It'll go in. It's not a big deal. I got this camera in my hand. Anyway, here are the screws. I'll screw it in. But before I do that, I'll just get a shovel and move the salvia over. My advice, dig the hole first. Reason being, the sooner you take the plant out of the ground and put it back in after digging it up, the better. Got my tape measure and measured the distance between the middle salvia and this area here. The salvia on the right was a bit of an eyesore. It was too close. Well, not too close, just noticeably close to the salvia in the middle, and I had to change it. Good, not great. I think I should move it over a little more to the right. Then it'll be perfect. Keep this in mind, and I've done this several times. When you pull your plants out of the ground, they go into some type of defense mode, okay? If you disturb the root system, your plant will, what I call, catch an attitude, and you'll think there's a problem with it. It's just really protecting itself. Maybe a plant expert can explain it a little better. Look, I've done this with plants so much, I'm used to it, especially with salvias. They're real resilient. If you pull them out of the ground, they'll recover. Just be patient. Takes a few weeks, but you'll get even better results. Okay, so I'll trim the rose bushes, get it out the way, and then I'll finish up over in this area. And again, this is so that the root system can send up new energy. So we want to get rid of this dead stuff so it can work its magic. And look at the salvia. Yep, catching an attitude as we speak. Grass looks good though. What do you guys think? Got the sun out. You know, I get a lot of high heat in this area. And in the past, it's affected my lawn. But I put it on a different schedule now. I water at night. Well, you guys know that. Got more screws. Got the rigid. Hey, you guys at Rigid, send me some tools like you do the other guys. Come on. Somebody might ask, why don't you drill a hole first? Well, in this case, I really don't have to drill a hole. This screw will go through this aluminum with no problem, trust me. I could leave it like this, but this wasn't the mission, okay? Got an elbow on it. You know what? This might not work. I might have to take this off. I bought those elbows for absolutely no reason. Didn't need them at all. But you know what? I'm old. I'm going to keep them. This is how it should look. Yeah, I'm going to keep them. That's what old people do. We keep stuff. I'm not that old. Okay, you know what, guys? Put this together first and then attach it to your extension or elbow or whatever the case may be, okay? Looking good. Looking real good. You know, I could keep it like this or get some mulch and use the mulch to hide it. I guess that's why it's called stealth. I don't know if you realize this or not, but this downspout is real flexible. You could turn it left, right, straight, whatever you like, whatever you need. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot now, but in the end, you'll see. We'll get great results. It's the little things, guys. The little things. All right, we got the stealth. It's in. Looks good. Got lucky with this stump here. Real lucky. Looks good. Trim the rose bushes. Salvias are spread out evenly. Let's make our way to the other side. I removed the weeds and other debris from this area. Looks a whole lot better when it's cleaned up, so to speak. In-ground solar lights have been taken up, left the legs or stands or whatever you call them. I don't know if I'm going to put new in-ground solar lights in the ground. Haven't decided on that yet. I'll just take the wait and see approach. At least I got the Menards lawn bag. Always comes in handy. Well, that's it for now. Look at this grass. Looks great. Sun's going down. Hope the grass stays this way. You guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.